You guys check this dog out. He's a pretty cool looking dog. Looks like a little pig. He's a tough looking dog. He's awesome. Good morning, guys. Lady looked at me and started laughing because I was talking in the camera. You get that a lot when you vlog. But you know what, you get used to it, and I don't know. It was awkward at first, of course, when you start vlogging and talking into a camera and stuff. And people, like I said, people always yell at you and stuff, and hey Joe, how you doing? But anyways, today is a day of walking and more walking. I just dropped the car off. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see what I see. Anyways, this morning I just dropped the car off at the I just dropped the car off at the body shop. The owner wasn't there. I like to ask when I go into, you know, places like that, like private businesses, if I could film around. The owner wasn't there. He should be back later on. I gotta walk now because I gotta go back to the apartment, get some money, take it back to the body shop, and give them a deposit so they can pick up the paint and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I don't have a car, so I'm walking, and you know what? It's good for me anyways. Morning. It's good for me anyways to get some good exercise in. I feel like Forrest Gump. Remember the movie Forrest Gump? Forrest just decided to run. That's what I'm doing, walking. I'm walking to go find Jenny. But anyways, figured I'd break out the camera while I do a walk. Maybe I'll go into some of these stores around here. Show you some of these little stores along MacArthur. Some of the stores I walk by, drive by, but never to bother to go in. So I guess we'll do that. Check out some of the stores. You know what I'm gonna do, since somebody mentioned it, I'm gonna walk into Manson Drugstore. Manson drugstores are all over the place here. I'll walk around here inside the Manson Drugstore and show you a little bit inside Manson. Morning. Yeah, this is inside a drugstore. Kind of like a little mini market too. I mean, they got pretty much stuff that other little mini markets have. And then of course you can get medication in here and things. But yeah, this is pretty much what the inside of a Manson drugstore looks like. I won't stay in here long. Only for the simple reason they're playing music. So, but little stroll around. And that's the pharmacy right there. Go up and ask for medication. And ask for medication and they have it. I know in the past you used to be able to get medication without a script. They're kind of cracking down on that now. So yeah, but Manson Drugstore, they're all over the place. They're like, I can probably stand here and see one or two down the road in either direction, but that's the pharmacy. You got Manson's Drugstore Pharmacy, you got Watson, and then you got South Star. And then you have generic drugstore also. Let me see, let me go this way. You have generic pharmacies too. And like I said, South Star, that's the one I use, South Star. Now they don't require me a script. But yeah, they do. Slow down, slow down. They don't, yeah, South Star required me to get a script for my medication, but they never asked me for an update. They never asked me for an updated script. I just keep going in with the script I have, and they keep honoring it, so I'm good to go. Cloudy day today, little overcast, little drizzle right now. I got my umbrella in case it starts raining. starts raining hard, I'll just step inside the store like everybody else. But what's nice is no humidity, no sun today, so it's very, very nice. See, right there's a Mercury drugstore. So you got Manson drugstore. I just turn my head, I can look at it. Then you got Mercury drugstore. So they are all over. Balloon store. Yeah, just a little balloon store, little party store. And you got a ton of hair salons all over the place here. They're all over the place here in the Philippines. LBC. Nice aircon. So early, a lot of these stores are closed. I don't know, it's around 9 o'clock, something like that. Another hair salon. We'll go into Marina Arcade here. Oh, here's a shoe place. I need a pair of rubber boots. I don't know if they would have them. Looks like mostly sneakers. Yeah. There's Marina Arcade. We'll take a little stroll through Marina Arcade. You guys check this out. This guy's riding around on his bicycle and he is selling exotic food here. He's got some frogs and they're alive. Those frogs are alive, they're not dead. And this here, I don't know what he says. Palus. Palus. He says palus. I don't know what that is. Exotic food. Is that like a snake? No? Fish. Like a fish. Oh, okay, a fish. And this is fruit? What kind of fruit?
Guava.
Guava fruit, yeah. But yeah, check that out, man. That's pretty wild, man. That's kind of stuff you just see that you don't, normally see. It's got his little frogs there and fish and guava. So that's what I say. You know what? You see a lot of times you see the same thing over and over here. Once in a while, something catches your eye, something different. And I was walking down the street here and seeing him sitting there on his bicycle, and I seen he had the frogs. I've never seen that before. Somebody just riding around, selling frogs like that. But it's always a new surprise every day here. All right, I'm in a place called K-Surfco. It's right here in MacArthur and Daewoo. And just walked in to check out the store. I got this Kawasaki Vulcan S 395,000 pesos, 600 cc's. Pretty nice bike. Yeah, this store has a little bit of everything in here. You see stoves, refrigerators, washers, motorcycles, They sell a little bit of everything. There's their motorcycle line right here. They got some laptops for sale. Said refrigerators, air conditioning, just a little store. Home appliances, audio, TV. They sell a little bit of everything in here. There's like a little shoe place here. It sells hats and shoes, sneakers. I'm sure it's all knockoff products. But you know what? That don't bother me. Because I will buy knockoff products. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm just looking at what you have. We got t-shirts and sneakers and all kinds of good stuff here. Backpacks, shoes for kids, toys.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. You don't sell rubber boots?
We don't have.
Don't have? I'm looking for some good rubber boots. All right, thank you.
Okay.
You have no problem buying knockoff clothes. Doesn't bother me a bit. Half the time you can't even tell it's a knockoff. There's a lot of these little stores all up and down MacArthur's. You know what, guys, in case you weren't aware of this is Jollibee, as you can see. But all your fast food restaurants here in the Philippines deliver. Jollibee, McDonald's, Pizza Hut, all of them. What else? Yellow Cab, Burger King. They all deliver. And you know what? I've ordered a couple times from certain fast food restaurants here. You know what? It comes warm. It doesn't come cold. It might take them a half hour to get there, but you know what? It gets there. Matter of fact, I got Burger King's direct number for delivery. Haven't used it yet, but one of these days I will. So yeah, I mean, you know, back in the States, they don't do delivery like that. I mean, you got pizza places that will do delivery and things, but your fast food restaurants back in the States, they don't do any delivery. If you're wondering what gas prices are in the Philippines, there it is. This is a Shell station. That's 46.55 for diesel. And then another 50.10 for another type of diesel. 52.57 for gasoline. 53.12 for gasoline. 56.12 for gasoline. And that's per liter. And of course it's in peso. So if you ever wonder what the gas prices are right now in the Philippines, well, there it is at the Shell gas station. All right, this is another area around where our store is located. I really haven't filmed back in here. I figured I'd come back here, show you this street, show you this area of our neighborhood. You know what, somebody asked me about the open drain and the ditches here. And I really don't know why the draining system is all open. Right in through here, there is no drains. Water just runs. Wherever it runs, it runs. I'm thinking maybe the drainage ditches are open like that for the simple reason if there's a clog or something, because I mean, let's face it, they do have a litter problem here, and it is what it is. Maybe they have them open like that for the simple reason, you know, it's easier to clean out if there's a block up. I mean, if it's enclosed and it's concreted over, they would have to dig it all up. Check out the school here. I remember when this school was just starting. This is the new school construction here that they're doing in the Dao Home Site Elementary, Mabalacat City. And I remember I walked through here, a few months ago, and they were literally, it was ground level. And they've come a long way. in a few months. I mean, they got a lot of dudes working here. Let's go up here. These guys are all yelling for me and everything like that. So I'll come up here and I'll show you how this works here. You got these guys here. They are digging up the sand or whatever you want to call it, and then they're gonna morning, and then of course they throw it in the concrete mixer over there, and then it goes over to there, and they have a bucket right there. You can see it, the yellow bucket. I think they put the concrete in there and send it up to that floor, but there they are. There's all the workers. Give them something to talk about for a while. Thank you, guys. I was just walking along, came across this guy doing the old pineapples, cutting them up and selling them. Show you how he does it here. Guys, check out the car. You see what's left of it. They are slowly but surely dismantling it and getting rid of it. That's all that's left. The other day I came by here and they were beating on the back end, tearing everything apart, but there it is. I'm sure within the next couple days that won't even be there. Alright guys, I just got back from walking around, back to the store now. It was a nice morning for a walk. I mean, it was just perfect. A little drizzle, not much. Cloudy, no humidity. Just a nice walk. Stopped by the auto place that's working on the car, the body shop. Talked to them. They're going to expedite my car, and they will have that for me tomorrow. They said if you could give, you know, a little extra to expedite your car, we'll have it done for you tomorrow. So I'll just give them a few extra pesos, have the car back to us for tomorrow. Here's another thing too. When I got back with the pineapple, I asked Lut, I said, well, what should I have paid for it? She said 70 pesos. I said, you know what, I got it for 60. So guess what? I got a good deal. I didn't get the Kano price. Actually, I got a very good deal on that pineapple. So anyways, not really going to be doing anything. Oh, another thing. Somebody asked me about my sunglasses. Where did I get them? I got them up at SM Clark, one of the little stores there that sell sunglasses. Picked them up in there. And you know what? I've never seen them anywhere else except for up there. And I bought these like a year ago, so I don't even know if they sell them anymore. So Lut is here too. Lut is over here. Oh, poor Lut. She's crying. She's watching a sad movie and crying while she's watching her sad movie. So anyways, ain't nothing really gonna go on. Just gonna hang out here at the store. So I'll wrap this one up, and anything exciting happens, I'll film it. But anyways, tomorrow it's a new day. Journey continues, and like I said, if anything exciting happens, I will make sure to film it.